With the Christmas season now well and truly in full swing, it's cheese boards, nibbles and canapé time.
I've got a tasty and oh so cute way to transform a couple of sheets of puff pastry into a platter of festive canapés, cooked in the air fryer.
They're quick and easy, but really what isn't when you're air frying?
You need a couple of sheets of slightly thawed, store-bought frozen puff pastry. Then, using a 7.5cm star-shaped biscuit cutter, simply cut out 14 stars from each.
Just try and be a little bit strategic about where you're cutting.
To really maximise the amount of stars you can get out of each sheet. Spoon a small amount of relish into the centre of 7 stars. Place a second star on top. Then you'll need these non-stick silicone moulds. These ones here are from the Philips Airfryer baking accessory kit. Gently push each star stack into a mould, then arrange in the basket of the Philips XL Essentials Airfryer. Using the digital touchscreen, set temperature to 160 degrees and the time to 15 minutes. Press the start button to begin cooking, and instantly the cooking begins, no preheating required.
Look at these, gorgeously golden and flaky, just the way we'd like them. Now you'll notice I didn't brush these with any egg. I find when you are air frying, thanks to that powerful Philips rapid air technology, we don't need the eggs. So save your eggs for brekkie.
For extra flavour though, I'm spooning a little relish into the centre, a little sprinkle of sesame seeds and herbs, and then pop them back into the air fryer basket. Set the temperature to 180 degrees and the time to 4 minutes. Press the dial in to begin cooking, and once cooked, set aside for 5 minutes to cool. Okay, time to finish them off. At this point, you can be as creative as you like with your toppings. I'm opting for a cream cheese, cherry tomato, and basil combo. And a cream cheese, smoked salmon, red onion, and dill on the rest. For an extra little touch of Christmas cheer, arrange them in a wreath shape, decorated with little sprigs of rosemary.
These cute little caramelised onion star puff canapés will definitely impress your guests and add a little bit of fun and festivity to your next soiree. Don't mind if I do. For more recipes and inspiration, download the free Philips NutriU app.
It's free to download, and with over 500 recipes, you're sure to find just the recipe you need.